Decades after Jurassic Park captured our imaginations, real labs are pushing de-extinction, an effort to resurrect extinct creatures using gene editing. Companies like Colossal Biosciences plan to splice woolly mammoth DNA into modern elephants, restoring features like thick fur or extended tusks. Others talk about bringing back the dodo or even passenger pigeons to fix damaged ecosystems. But is that genius conservation or just playing God? Supporters claim these species can fill ecological niches once lost. For instance, a revived mammoth might help maintain Arctic permafrost, slowing climate change. Yet critics warn we could create animals that no longer truly belong. Where would these new mammoths live? And who ensures their welfare? Most mind-blowing is that these projects aren't centuries away. They might release a gene-edited dodo by 2030, if successful. That's a jaw-dropper. An iconic bird, gone for hundreds of years, suddenly reappearing. Are we a few CRISPR tweaks away from rewriting nature's mistakes? Or messing with fragile modern ecosystems? With plummeting gene editing costs and growing biotech interest, de-extinction hype is real. It's not pure sci-fi. Maybe soon, the line between extinct and living species won't be so permanent. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Fam Ventures if you're ready for more mind-bending glimpses of tomorrow's science.